Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make some delicious chocolate meringue cookies. So then, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Add 2 egg whites to a bowl. I usually pass the yolk between the bits of shell till all the white has dripped off because it's easy and dirties no additional dishes. But you can separate the egg however you want. Then you're gonna beat the whites till they're quite foamy. No need to put much effort into them yet. Then add in 100 grams of sugar and continue beating. Your goal is when the mixer leaves distinct marks in the egg, like this. Then you're gonna dump in 70 grams of almond flour, 90 grams of powdered sugar, and 30 grams of cocoa powder. And mix until it's a somewhat homogeneous mass, like this. Onto the baking tray. Here's a tip. Crumple your parchment paper so it lays flat and doesn't roll back up. Then add the batter in little scoopfuls, like this. If you have a piping bag, you can use that, but I don't, so I just use a spoon. Finally, you can bake them. Preheat your oven to 180°C and load the tray in the middle shelf. Bake for about 15 minutes until they start to crack. They'll expand quite a bit in the oven, and when they do start to crack, they're done. You can dust them with some powdered sugar at the end too, if you want. And that's how you make these tasty treats. If you like easy cooking tutorials like these, you should subscribe to the channel. That's all. Have a good day.